In this video, I'm going to show you how to break the password protect of an Excel sheet. So I have an Excel sheet here and it is password protected. If I click on any of the cells, it asks me for a password. So if I right click on the sheet 1 tab here, click on protect sheet, it needs a password. I can also go to review, click on protect sheet, and if I have a password, I can type it in there. So if you have an Excel document and you can't remember the password, I'm going to show you a workaround where you can break that password from the Excel sheet. So I'm going to close this. So this is my original Excel sheet. Now first of all, I need to make a copy of this. So what I'll do, I'll right click the desktop, create a new folder, and right click the Excel file, copy, open the folder, right click, and paste. So I'm going to be working with this copy in the folder. So I need to rename the extension of this Excel sheet, and the extension is hidden. So to unhide the extension name, you can go to File Explorer, or on this new folder, click on View. So you want to check this one, File Name Extensions, and this will show the extension of the Excel file. So the extension shows up, it's .xlsx. So I want to rename this extension. So what I'll do, I'll right click the Excel sheet, click rename, and just delete the extension and type zip. So it has to be .zip. Click anywhere here or enter, click yes. Now I'm going to double click this and there are a bunch of files here. Click on XL and click on worksheets, and this is it. I only have one sheet here, sheet 1. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this to the desktop, make a copy. So I need to edit this file, sheet 1. So to edit it, I'll just right click the file, select open with, choose notepad. I'm going to open this much bigger. Now this is a bunch of coding. Click on format here and select word wrap. Now I need to look for that word protection. So to look for that word, on the keyboard, hit the Control key and F. And this box shows up. It says find what? Type protection. Select find next. And it's here. Now to remove the password protection, I need to select between the sheet data and the sheet protection, between the greater than and less than symbol. Place your mouse cursor here and select all these files. And you want to end it here, between the greater and the lesser symbol, just before page margins. So this is the line of coding that needs to be deleted. I'm going to hit delete on the keyboard. Click File, click Save, close this. So I just want to copy this file that I edited back into the folder. So I'm just going to drag it, copy. So select copy and replace. Close this. I'm going to open up back my new folder. So this datasheet.zip. So I'm just going to right click, select rename, remove zip, and type in XLSX. Hit enter, select yes, Now when I open the sheet, so when I type anywhere in the cell, it does not ask me for any kind of password. So if I right click the sheet tab here, there's no unprotect sheet here. So if I go to review on the ribbon tab also, there's no tab to unprotect the sheet. So the password protect was removed. So now I have access to change the data in this Excel sheet. So I thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.